Hi, Pat here. I have a Zenith stereo with an 8-track in it, and it's model MC 6010. It does power up. I got an FM right now.
Thank you. Caleb.com.
I'm picking up FM. I got CDs going. But I got nothing on the tape. It doesn't even always want to change programs, so take the cover off, take a look at the inside. I slid this out of the case, and the bolt doesn't look too bad. Get some light in here. This head here is kind of loose and wobbly there, so I'm going to tear this down, see if there's something I could do about that. I got this piece out that holds the head, and the plastic piece that holds it is broken. Couldn't find the piece, so I put a zip tie on it and put some super glue all the way around it, and it's holding pretty safe. So I'll get all that back together. Then I noticed this thing here had this little cover on it. Took the cover off, and it's a wall transformer. In fact, it only puts out 5 volts. And somebody wired it in with the lights there. Don't know why somebody did that. And so I get down here. Right there. So there should be a transistor that's there. One of the legs pulled out of the board. So somebody was inside this thing. I don't know what they're doing, but see if I can figure it out. Well, I got the 8-track working. I'm sure I still need to adjust the heads, but got that much going. I went ahead and took this thing out. Don't need it. And I found a couple loose wires here coming off the transformer. And I measured the voltage across those. I had 8 volts AC, so that should be right for the lights. And here's the light shroud. As you can see, somebody put LEDs in there. So I'm going to take all those out. I got these snap-in LEDs, and I'm going to replace them all with these. I replaced all the LEDs in here with fuse type ones, except I didn't have enough, but I had some of these, so I soldered them all in. Hooked it up to the 8-volt AC off the transformer, so now things are working. I ended up breaking the power switch, just pushing on it wrong, but I did find another to replace it. And there's 2 fuses somebody put in here. They lead right there to the bridge rectifier. Why you put them in, I don't know, but I'm just going to leave them in there. Whoever was in this seemed to know what they were doing. He spliced all the wires he cut. There's some more over here. So I'm going to get this thing together. I think I got it going, and I'm going to give it a test. I got everything back together, and I got a record spinning right now.
The best that I could see, he was the executioner, a hangman just like me.
And the 8-track's going.
Wasn't a spring.
And I got cassette deck going in the auxiliary.
Used to take me the real. This time you saw what I want you.
FM's working. Stereo light's working. Couldn't get the meter to work though. Other than that, this thing came out pretty good. So I'm going to call this one done. Thanks for watching the video.